Welcome, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. The BAKKT CEO could become a U.S. Senator. Imagine, of all things, the CEO of a cryptocurrency exchange becomes a U.S. Senator. Wow, that could be incredible. Let's get into this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I'm not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So, Kelly Loeffler is the Chief Executive Officer for the BAKKT Exchange. Now, I know that most of you know what the BAKKT Exchange is and what it's all about, but give me a moment. Bear with me for 1 second while I give a little bit of information to those who are not familiar with the BAKKT Exchange. The BAKKT Exchange is a joint venture between the company that owns the New York Stock Exchange, Microsoft, and Starbucks. The three of those companies came together. They spent almost $500 million, almost $500 million, 4 years to build a cryptocurrency exchange. That exchange went live 2 months ago on September 24th of 2019. And so it's just a baby exchange, but it has the backing and the reputation and the money and influence of the New York Stock Exchange. And so the BAKKT Exchange going live was a very big deal for the cryptocurrency industry. Now imagine the CFO, Kelly Loeffler, being a U.S. Senator. So that could be huge for the cryptocurrency business, for the cryptocurrency industry. Now, Georgia Governor Brian Kemp picks Kelly Loeffler for vacated U.S. Senate seat, defying GOP wishes. Now, at the moment, this article has not been confirmed. Where did it say that? The consultant spoke on condition of anonymity on Monday because Kemp has yet to publicly announce the decision, which comes after weeks of speculation over his choice for a U.S. Senate seat Democrats are hoping to win in 2020. Loeffler, perhaps best known as co-owner of the Delta Dream professional women's basketball franchise, will have to defend the seat next November as Republicans battle to maintain control of the Senate and the White House. So that could be very interesting. First of all, the thing that I want to stress is we do not know yet whether or not Doug Collins is actually going to choose, not Doug Collins, but Governor Brian Kemp, whether Governor Brian Kemp is actually going to choose Kelly Loeffler, because the governor has not come out and publicly made an announcement. The next thing that's quite interesting is her being a chief executive officer for a cryptocurrency exchange as a U.S. senator could have a significant influence over any upcoming regulations and laws that have to do with how the SEC treats cryptocurrency, how the IRS treats cryptocurrency, and how other government entities and regulators treat cryptocurrency. She could have a dramatic influence on all of that as she steps into a role of being a U.S. Senator. But we're going to have to wait until Governor Brian Kemp actually makes his public announcement, because this may not actually happen. The news has kind of come out a little bit prematurely. You know how they talk about rumors? It's not news yet, but it is a rumor. So this could be quite exciting. Time will tell how it goes and what kind of changes that she makes from the U.S. Senate that's beneficial to cryptocurrency as a whole. In the meantime, how can I be of service to you? Do you have any questions about cryptocurrency? Do you have a question about how to purchase cryptocurrency or anything else related to the cryptocurrency industry? I would love to hear from you, and I'd love to be of service to you. So please leave comments below. Either use the public comment forum on YouTube, or you can send me a private question using the Google form. There's a link to it in the description on my YouTube channel and in this YouTube video. So in the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl, and I hope that you have a fantastic day.